Hey guys, welcome into Qpop.
Come on, Mike. Chill out.
I don't know how to adjust speed.
All right, today we are all about Star Wars.
Oh, yeah.
So you're going to the dark side.
There we go.
Be fancy. That is a really nice board. Okay, so
This one's worse.
How do you not laugh the whole time?
we do.
Yeah.
I'll be real honest. Okay. Anybody have a tissue hard towel?
Oh, my goodness.
Qpop.
Now we start.
That's the opening.
Yeah.
Producer Marie, bring out the first item. Hold on a second. Okay,
What's
so
all
this
this in?
is the Star Wars Luke Skywalker lightsaber immersion
Ooh, can I plug it in?
handheld blender. That is pretty epic.
Everybody
Oh.
needs an immersion blender, right?
Okay, but aside soup or milkshake, what are you doing with an immersion?
Why do I need to do anything more than that?
Like, why are you? I'm asking
Sorry.
a question.
This is
Okay,
the difference
what are the
between a
ratios?
host and a not host. What are you guys talking about? Can you plug that in?
Wait, so what all do you use it for? We've got obviously a milkshake coming up.
milkshakes.
Oh, you make
and then
soups?
soup.
Soups.
Yeah.
And then anything you want to blend in a pot.
Turn it
Oh, yeah.
For the ratios, milk
This-
to
Oh,
ice
so
cream.
like a sauce.
Yeah.
That's how my
You
wife
can do a
feeds me at night.
chimichurri.
You're just
Just leaves the
missing-
bowl outside of my door. John, your dinner's ready.
So when you were in prison, John?
ice cream. in
Wake
prison.
up. How much milk per ice cream?
Ratio.
Yeah, what's the That's the word.
Just pour in some milk. We're making this up. That looks great.
Yeah,
And then you do a little bit of.
just a tiny bit of vanilla.
You know what's great about this? If you're an adult,
Go
it's
on.
really cool to have a lightsaber immersion blender.
Does it light up?
But what's particularly cool is you can hide this in a drawer. Like, no one who comes over needs to know that
Yeah.
you have a lightsaber immersion blender, unless it's somebody you want to know.
Oh, it's gonna get on
All right,
Courtney.
so it's got 5
It's gonna
speeds.
make a
Let's
mess.
start on the lowest one.
Also mashed potatoes.
Mashed
Oh.
potatoes, it's good for.
Oh,
That's how I make mashed potatoes. Yeah.
Or mashed cauliflower.
Yeah.
yum.
Trendy.
Very
So trendy.
Very. Did you just look at the camera when you said that? Trendy.
You know what I also kind of love about this, and this is my first time even seeing one in action, it's got to be so much easier to clean than a regular blender.
It is.
sure.
It's really, really easy to clean. Oh, this is a bad idea. It's not really that bad of an idea.
You're doing it.
Oh my God.
Yes!
You guys don't have to be
Is
quiet.
it okay if I,
Wait, I think you.
This one's worse. Enjoy that really.
How's the vanilla ratio?
it's-
Good ratio.
Thank you.
Well done, John.
Thank you.
Well
Hey!
done.
Oh,
I'm so proud of you.
so much faith.
With your lightsaber.
You could
Yeah.
sell that in a
Blender.
diner. Like, that's a good
Yeah.
milkshake.
$10.
Actually,
All right. Well, that was
How
great.
much does it cost?
$34.99. $35. And quite honestly, I love the idea of it for sauces because that's something I feel like I want to. I think you'd have to turn on the Star Wars theme song when you got this out to make a milkshake for people to fully get it.
Oh, I think
And
I
how
would.
does that go?
I
Star
can't say
Wars.
it, John.
It's
Star
a great
Wars, it's
movie
in space.
thing. What do we have? What do we have? What do
So
we have?
it's not the world's largest coaster, and I have to be honest, I don't know how to. Is it acacia?
I don't know.
I know the berry
What? I
is
don't even-
acai.
What's acacia?
Acacia?
I don't-
Acacia wood?
Acacia.
It's a brie cheese board.
It's wood.
Acacia.
Yes, you
One more
did.
time. One more time.
Acacia.
Trendy.
Now we know. Acacia brie
I was trying to do
cheese
like the
board.
Sing along.
Google voice would have.
Oh, you sounded just like.
Okay. Wait. It sounds like going to be like, I got a case of.
I got acacia. I got acacia that itches.
We're gonna get.
Be fancy. That is a really nice board. Okay, so.
This one's the Death Star.
And then this is Beware of the Dark Side.
Yeah, that's the brie one. That's this one.
Okay, so the brie one. Okay, so the brie one's a little bit smaller, and then you have the.
Circo.
Sir?
Circo cheese board.
Is that a type of cheese?
It's Italian for circular.
There's some cool details here. Darth Vader's on this one.
Oh wow.
There's stormtrooper action on there.
What's on
Yeah,
that?
the Death Star's
Empire.
on this one.
The symbol of the
Is that
Empire.
what that is?
You know better. Can you put my hand in front of Courtney?
That's the sign of the Empire.
Oh.
But I think this is easy to wash. I mean,
Yeah.
it doesn't. It's not like.
And this is just for
Super
cheese.
deep.
This isn't for like or chopping up onions.
Yeah, that's true.
It's,
Would you guys keep this out on your counter?
There's no shame in this. Yes. The
I
Death
just-
Star one
it's
in
not.
particular is just
It's
like
tasteful. Both of them are under $40.
That's awesome.
$39.95.
It's like,
This is how you
5
become
o'clock
an
happy
adult
hour.
Star Wars fan. This is
Yeah.
how you progress to being like, I'm a little bit classy.
Producer Marie, what's next?
Thank you, Marie.
Yeah.
Some nice looking bread.
Going on with that milkshake.
We're not selling the bread,
I-
everybody. We're selling this. What do we have here?
So this is our Darth Vader toaster.
bread. Sorry.
John, how do you take your toast?
Light side or dark side? Because those are the settings, John.
That's right.
Ooh.
All right, so you're going to the dark side.
He's a
The
toaster.
problem is
and-
it's quite thick toast.
I looked at that piece of bread, I'm like, I didn't know they cut bread that thick.
It's a pretty thick piece. That's a whole potato.
I like to do a layer of butter on my toast, and then I'll get some strawberry and raspberry jam and mix it together.
I like a little bit of cream cheese and then some jelly on top. It's really bomb. It's good.
How do you-
I'm probably just putting jam on there.
Okay,
just jam.
That's cool.
No butter?
No butter.
No, I don't put butter and jam.
That's a good
So
mix. Now.
good.
You should try
Is it?
that.
That's news to me.
It's good.
It's news to you?
Yeah, I wouldn't butter and jam. I'd just do one or the other. It's one or the other in my household growing up. We didn't have all the luxuries that you kids have nowadays.
Oh, you want both, Mike? What are you playing?
Yeah.
The stock market? Which one do you want?
Butter doesn't grow on trees. Almost there.
Yeah, I think we got to turn it a little darker. If they want the true Darth Vader experience, they're going to need to take their toast on the dark side. But if you want a lightly toasted piece of bread, you're not going to see as much of Mr. Vader. Can you do a Darth Vader impression?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm Darth Vader. Oh.
I don't know.
Say, Luke, I am your father.
Luke, I'm your father. I'm your daddy, and I. I mean, look at the size of these. That's it. I think that's the noise it made.
Can someone get Courtney a tissue or paper towels?
I don't have a tissue, but I have a thicker piece of toast. All right, so.
What we got?
Oh! The dark side of the toast is not burnt.
No,
It's
not at all.
toasty.
You put some butter, jelly, or both if you're rich.
Green cheese.
Yeah, if you're living some kind of fancy life I
Yeah.
don't know about. Just baked
I mean,
bread,
look,
John.
I'll eat a piece of bread.
Oh.
You won't.
This is dark side bread.
Ooh, reverse
Oh.
psychology.
It seems like there's a good crunch.
Oh, you're just diving right into the wars.
I
Ooh.
heard
That was
that.
good crunch.
And
Do you
soft
taste the
on
potato?
inside?
Is there a little potato in there?
There definitely is a lot of potato. Look at the size of that.
All right, less than $50. Great
Just
makeover.
say $49.99.
$49.99.
$50.
Yeah.
$50 USD. And the great news is you've got an adjustable thermostat, so whether you're on the light side or the dark side, everybody gets a good piece of toast.
This is very good.
All right, Producer Marie, our last and final item. Oh, hang on a second. Disney Star Wars Stormtrooper
There's two.
spinner luggage?
And one armed, so.
That is a very fancy case.
Oh, and it does the 360 spinning.
So you can spin it
That's
really
really important, though, when you're walking through an airport.
Yeah.
That is true.
It's funny, just every once in a while, I'll still break out a bag that only has the 2 wheels, which at one point in time was a great thing.
This
And
guy.
now you're like, why does it only have 2 wheels? This is terrible.
Yeah.
But then do you inevitably carry it like an old school suitcase with no
No,
wheels?
I don't understand how anybody's still pulling that off in today's day.
I do.
Back in the day, people had
I
to be
still
so
have a two-wheeler.
No
it's
wheels.
No wheels.
Oh.
Like a suitcase.
Oh, no.
You're like, that's how
crazy?
how
Like your
people move.
1929 accent.
Yeah, we're getting on the plane.
He
I'm gonna
carries
put on
a
a suit
suitcase.
and
Yeah.
I'm gonna carry this case.
I'm going to
All right.
tonight.
John and Mike,
Be
if
careful.
you guys were packing this suitcase, which is 21 inches, and then it's
This is
14
carry-on size, I
Yeah,
imagine,
carry-on
right?
size. So it's 22, 14 by 9 inches in depth.
Uh-huh.
How many days would this get you through?
A week.
Yeah, I could do a week in this. Just a normal,
Yeah.
a normal week.
Sure.
Not even like at the beach, because I could do like 2 weeks at the beach.
Yeah, there's the beach. This is summer.
Right. I could pretty much move with this to the beach. But
I am so jealous.
yeah.
I'd probably say a weekend. I could figure it
That's
out.
true. I was assuming I don't have like a heavy coat that I have to pack in this. 'cause
All the
we're going
different
to
shoes.
You
Canada.
just wear your coat, you wear your pants, because we all have one
What-
pants.
One pants.
One pants.
One pants.
You know, for wearing.
Courtney, what about
Right.
you?
I think it would get me through a long weekend.
Me too. Yeah.
How many shoes do you guys pack when you go
Oh,
on a
how
trip?
cool.
The ones I
Right?
have
Goes right
on,
on there.
and then sometimes another pair.
You think you could wear the same shoes for an entire trip?
No, I usually have like 4.
Totally, because you gotta have options.
Plus the pair you're wearing.
Yes.
4 plus the pair you're wearing, so
5.
5 pairs of shoes.
5 pairs of shoes?
Depends on
For
where
a
you're
weekend?
going.
What if you go to somewhere like with a beach? Do you need 5 at the beach?
No, maybe like 3. A pair of heels and some two different sandals.
I would do a wedge and 3 sandals, because then I'd
And
have
you're
my
wearing
beach
sneakers too,
sandals.
right?
Oh yeah, you
Yeah.
need to wear sneakers.
Because like we might want to do like an afternoon happy hour
It's crazy.
with margaritas and walk 2 miles and gossip.
That sounds amazing.
Gossip. It's my favorite part of the trips is gossip.
All right, so each one of these, $150, 2 choices. So you can check it, you can carry it on,
Yep.
white or silver, $150 from Disney, 21-inch Stormtrooper luggage.
Yeah.
Sure, John.
Let's recap.
Let's recap. Bring out all the goods.
First,
The Duff Toaster. Cheese board.
cheese board.
Ooh,
Acacia
love the
wood.
cheese board.
Acacia wood cheese board.
Yep.
Very trendy.
We taught you nothing.
Yeah.
The immersion blender, which looks like the lightsaber. To check out these items or more from the Star Wars collection, check out QVC.com. Thanks for watching Qpop.
Cute.